In this video, we are going to show you a jump starter with air compressor provided by Auxito for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. A powerful 3,500 amps for jump starting vehicles. Can be used over 50 times on a single charge. Internal rechargeable battery of 11,200 milliamps. Charging time is about 3.5 hours. Built-in LCD for easy reading. Displays real-time pressure monitoring and battery level. 4 different presets. You have one for your car, motorcycle, bicycle, and 4 balls. You have 4 different units. Hold down the mode button for a few seconds to change the units. Measures in PSI, BAR, KPA, and kilograms per centimeter. On the top, we have your tube interface with vents, 400 lumen strip lighting. It does have 3 modes. You want to press this light button to adjust the mode. You have your normal light mode. You have your strobe function and your SOS. Total runtime for the lights is about 48 hours. On the side, you have a USB Type-C 3.0. Below that, you have a 5-volt USB Type-A. We have more ventilation. On the other side, you have more ventilation along with your jumper cable connection port. The middle here is your power button. You want to hold for 3 seconds. Press again to get it started. You have your positive air pressure set and your negative air pressure set, your mode button, and your light button. Measures at 4.4 inches by 7.8 inches by 2 inches thick. Includes your 17-inch air tube, your jumper cable, your USB charging cable, 2 different size air nozzles, and an air needle, along with your user manual. Weighs in at 1.12 pounds. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Now we're going to go ahead and jump start this battery here. We're going to get your jump starter cables, connect it to your jump starter. Just like that, you're going to have a green light blinking. Then you're going to connect your positive to your positive and your negative to your negative. Once you do so, you see the green lights ready to go. Then we go ahead and start your vehicle. When jumping other vehicles, make sure the device has at least 50% battery life. Safety protections include overcharge, short circuit, reverse polarity, high-low temp, over voltage, overload, reverse charging, overcurrent, and anti-spark. So we're gonna try this tire here. It's for a Prius. We're gonna do the rear. It's supposed to be at 33 psi. We're gonna go ahead and connect your air tube, push it in, and then lock it into place. Turn on your air compressor. We're going to change the mode to your car tire mode, which is the first one. Right now it's default at 36. We're going to change the default to 33. Let it blink 3 times. Your current reading is at 2322 psi. I have a timer here, and we're going to go ahead and start pumping. All right, it auto stopped at 33 psi with 2 minutes and 35 seconds time. We have a rear tire here with a max psi of 50. We're gonna go ahead and connect the air tube. Just push it in and then lock it into place. I'm gonna go ahead and set a phone timer here so we can keep track. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. We're going to change the PSI to your max of this tire, which is 50. Let it blink 3 times. So it took about 8 minutes, 14 seconds to get up to 50 psi from 35. Keep in mind, this is not your standard tire. This is an all-terrain tire. So here we have a completely flat bicycle tire. We'll take the air compressor. We're going to go ahead and screw the tube on. Now that we screwed the tube on, we're going to go ahead and turn on the air compressor. Then we're going to go ahead and change the mode. We're going to choose bicycle mode. We have your car, that's your motorcycle, and your bicycle mode. The PSI for this bike tire is 35. We're going to set it to 35. And then we're going to go ahead and pump the air. Alright, when you're ready, just press the middle button. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.